Zinfandel has a very storied past. A lot of people think of California when they think of Zinfandel, and nowhere else in the world has it made more of a name for itself than in the Dry Creek Valley of Sonoma. We recently unboxed 12 wines from WTSO, and this was one of them, so we're going to take a look at it today. I'm not really sure if it's pronounced ZO or ZO, or Justin thinks it's No. No wines, and that's the way it's going to be when we're finished with the bottle. Now, the Dry Creek Valley is a tributary of the Russian River, which is very famous in California, inhabited by Russian immigrants and also Italian immigrants too. So they were one of the first there, and Zinfandel was one of the first grapes that they brought with them during the gold rush era. And this winery is very small by today's standards, only 10 acres in size in total, which is almost unheard of in the wine world. There was a term that they coined years ago in California, garagiste.
Fancy.
Garagiste. It means like garage winemaker, essentially. And while this is predominantly Zinfandel, it's not completely. There's actually some Petit Syrah and Syrah in here too. Man, I just love Zinfandel. It just makes you laugh when you smell it. It's like, I always say jelly jar. I know it sounds very pedestrian, but it describes it so well. It's like a jar full of like mixed berry preserves. It's definitely tannic. I think it's 9 months of mixed French and American oak. This one's got really mouth-watering acids. I can almost like feel like the strawberry seeds in my mouth.
What should we eat with it?
Yes, food pairings. Naturally, it's a red wine, big and bold, so it's going to go well with your steaks, your grilled meats, that kind of thing. But honestly, Zinfandel has like a fun side to it too. And this is a great pizza wine, especially pepperoni pizza. And it plays well with sweets as well, which is interesting. So oftentimes I tell people to try it with peanut butter or brownies. You get sort of that peanut butter and jelly kind of thing going on.
You had me at peanut butter.
Recently, we unboxed 12 wines from WTSO. Obviously, this is just one of 12. There are 11 others. If you want to see what they were, go back and check out those prior videos. And to buy wines like these, go to WTSO.com. Thanks so much for drinking with me today. On behalf of WTSO, I'm Mark Subsick. Cheers, everybody.